everyone, welcome back to Study HQ. In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Australian student visa, from eligibility and application process to key tips for a smooth experience. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and bell icon to watch latest news on study abroad. So let's dive right in. So, what is an Australian student visa? The Australian student visa, officially known as the Subclass 500 visa, allows international students to live and study in Australia for the duration of their course. Whether you're enrolling in a bachelor's, master's or vocational program, this visa is your gateway to one of the world's top educational destinations. Eligibility requirements. Before you apply, here's what you need to be eligible for the Subclass 500 visa in 2025. Enrollment confirmation. You must have a confirmation of enrollment from an Australian institution. English proficiency. Proof of English language skills via IELTS, TOEFL or PTE. Example, IELTS minimum score of 6.0. Genuine temporary entrant. You need to prove your intention is to study and not to settle permanently. Financial evidence. Show you can cover tuition fees, living costs and travel expenses. Health insurance. Overseas student health cover is mandatory. Character and health checks. Police clearance and medical examination are required. These are the core requirements. Additional documents may be needed based on your country and institution. Application process. Applying for the Subclass 500 visa is straightforward if you follow these steps. Prepare your documents: COE, passport, English test results, financial documents, health insurance, etc. Create an IMMI account. Visit the Australian immigration portal and register for an account. Fill out the online application. Provide accurate details about your course, finances and personal information. Pay the visa fee. The current fee is AUD 650. Biometrics and health check. Complete these steps as instructed by the visa office. Wait for the decision. Processing times may vary but usually range from 1 to 3 months. Be sure to double check all information before you submit to avoid any delays. Work rights and conditions. Did you know that your student visa also allows you to work? Let's break it down. Work during studies. Up to 48 hours per fortnight during semesters. Work during breaks. Unlimited hours. Dependent rights. If you bring a dependent, they may also have limited work rights. Working part-time can help you manage living expenses and gain international experience. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are some common pitfalls to steer clear of when applying for student visa. First, providing incomplete or incorrect documents. Second, not meeting the financial or health insurance requirements. Third, submitting a weak GTE statement. Fourth, delaying your application until the last minute. Avoid these mistakes to enjoy a hassle-free process. Tips for a smooth application. Finally, here are my top tips for successful application. First, start early and organize your documents. Second, write a compelling and honest GTE statement. Third, consult your institution or a migration agent for guidance. And fourth, regularly check your IMMI account for updates. A well-prepared application is your best chance at success. So there you have it, everything you need to know about Australian student visa in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more study abroad tips. Also don't forget to follow us on Instagram, the link is in the description.